Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats, performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.